Long time no see.
What's up, Dre?
How are you, man?
Good, how are you?
Good. We're kind of stuck here. We just got here at the Samo Spec 1 year anniversary meet, but the gate's locked. Hi. Oh, there he is. Gonna get it back in the car now. Hello.
What up, what up, what up?
Hey. Oh, well, we're early. Where do we go? Wait, what the fuck is this?
I picked up a random Asian guy.
On the street. He gave me a ride. I hitched a ride.
Can I get in the back?
Yeah, get in the bed. Get in the bed.
Can I get on, boss?
Yeah, get on.
Oh shit! Oh shit! What are we doing, gang?
Hi.
Swing that shit! Ah!
I can't go on the street, bro. I'm scared.
Bro, just go on the street.
I can't. I'm scared.
Bro, you're fine. I drove it on the street.
No, dude, I'm scared.
What? You don't want to drive it?
I'm scared, bro.
It's not bad.
I'm scared. Guys, we're in Isaac's K truckie. Jazz is gonna film. Wait, I can't tell.
No, it's to the left. Yeah, you literally sit on the wheel.
Oh my god, is there like fucking...
There's no power steering. You turn the light on too in the middle.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Oh. Okay. Guys, this is the first time I'm driving left-hand drive. I've never driven left-hand drive before. And it's fucking busy street. This is not empty!
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh, you have to shift the lock. Yeah, shift the lock.
Ah! Oh my god, it's so weird, guys. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, wait. Wait. God, I forgot. Wait, how do I turn this off? Turn it off.
I don't know.
Stop. When you guys drive left-hand drive, the windshield wiper is right where you typically do your turn signals. So, yeah, that's... Oh my god. Oh my gosh. There we go. See, like, I got it down. Go show them the inside what we're dealing with, babe.
Well, you can't really see much.
Oh yeah.
There's
the
not
light
much.
doesn't want to turn on.
This is a really small car.
Why did Isaac tell me to get... I fold for peer pressure, as you guys can tell. As you guys can see, we're having a fun time at the meet. The main thing is that they're just blasting music, so we can't really talk much. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's all over the place. Ah! Isaac! Oh! I tried going to the right.
Hey, at least you have installed the wipers.
The wipers. Stop it. Hey. It's so busy, babe. Show them the street. Isaac said there's no cars, and there's cars everywhere. I gotta get used to turning this. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Jesus, what is that sound? Okay. The thing is, this car doesn't have a rev limiter, so you can't see how high your revs are going. Oh, I'm scared. It's so scary, bro. The amount of times I went to reach for my right to shift. And the fucking windshield wipers, bro. Fun times.
His water bottle.
No! Complete oral loss, by the way. I try to pull in hella cool and shit.
On video?
Yeah. We just heard that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Freaking Isaac had his water bottle right here, and it just shot out the window, bro.
How does that happen?
I feel so bad. God damn it. Sorry I didn't film us eating tacos. We were too hungry, and we ended up here at Molly T again, just like in the last vlog.
Just like wording right there.
Nice. Bro, you're actually doing. Delete that footage.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
I'm hungry.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlogs. A little bit of a side quest today. We are at the beach helping out the homie AJ getting a shoot in for this brand called On Us. Fortunate enough that AJ invited me on. If you guys don't know, I love videography and this is kind of like the career I want to pursue. So very fortunate that he invited me out here and tagged me along. Very fun as the sun is setting. But yeah, just finishing up right now. It's a pretty cool experience. Hello everyone, I am currently on a bike ride, as you guys could see. Getting a little bit more miles today because past couple bike rides I haven't really been pushing it since the last time you guys saw me ride. The last ride that I documented on the vlogs was a 30 miler with Asher. And since then I haven't been able to do that many miles. Mainly because I'm low-key tired now. I don't know why I'm getting tired, and also I'm at a race for sunset. I can't let it get dark. I do not want to ride at dark like that last time. And my bike doesn't have any lights. If you guys have light recommendations, let me know in the comments below. I'll take recommendations because I have no idea which ones to get. And I know they can get really expensive. I don't want to pay that much. Right here, I have an energy gel. I'm trying this for the first time. Let's go give it a shot. Bottoms up. Damn, this dead ass taste. This, oh shit. Oh, there goes the camera. Oh, great, I shattered it. Oh, freaking great. Well, that's just the ND filter. Sorry guys, I already cracked my ND filter on this thing, but I guess it's bound to happen. Let's go. Jesus, I look so gross right now. Last clip you guys saw me, I was riding my bike. Right as when I got home, I was so gassed. I forgot to pick up the camera again, so because I was so gassed. So that day, we ended up doing 16.34 miles. And we did a lot of PRs. This was a pretty good one. Average speed with 16.1, max speed at 30. That's the fastest I've ever gone on a bike. And yeah, as you guys see, lots of PRs going on. So your boy is improving. And I was able to push myself even harder on this ride, even though I was by myself. So it takes a lot of mental. I have a lot of updates and videos planned for you guys. Let me know how you guys think about shorter videos or longer videos. What kind of videos you guys want to see. I get scared to post a video that's too short, like sub 10 minutes, and I'm worried you guys might not even watch it. But let me know in the comments. Do you guys like the shorter videos? Do you guys want them longer? Does it even matter to you guys? As you can see lately, I've been ramping up the uploads a little bit. Definitely posting more than once every other 2-3 weeks. And that's mainly because I've been bringing my camera every single time I come out. It's either the Sony that I bring out or the DJI. So yeah, I've been making it a habit to bring my camera as much as possible so I can continue making content for you guys. But yeah, I have quite the news to share to you guys very, very soon, which is gonna affect this channel a lot, but in a good way. I can't wait to announce the news to you guys, but as of right now, please enjoy the uploads and stay tuned for literally so much more videos. The thing I just ask for you guys is to just like, comment, and subscribe. Even share this video. Like, if you could do at least one of those things, that'll help out this channel a lot more than you think. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Sorry if it's a little bit short, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.